I don't even know what I chose, but let's do this. Oh, okay. I remember now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel, and today I have another eyeglass review, or shall I say unboxing. This is from FYTOO. If you haven't heard of FYTOO, FYTOO is an online eyewear company where you can find different styles, different glasses, things that fit your face. I'm gonna say I stepped out of my comfort zone a little bit, trying to do something different and daring, something that everyone might like. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, it comes like this in this box for shipping to protect your items. So this box has my 4 pairs that I picked. Okay, so let's see. What do we have? Let's see. Okay, so you have a QR code for the app and a $15 off. You might want to share with someone. You have a PD ruler, some cleaning cloths, and now here's my first pair. Let's see. We're just gonna go with the flow. Okay, so you also have your eyeglass bag, and up first are my rose gold. All right, so look at these. These are Selenivia. I guess I'm saying that right. These are rose gold. Now look at the design on the side, that stem. It's clear with the rose gold detail as well. And then you can see the gold strip down the middle. All right, so let's try these on, because y'all know I don't see too well and I need glasses. And I haven't had one shaped like these round ovals, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try that. I want to try those. What do you think? I like these, and they are light. I do feel like because the stem is a bit thicker on the side instead of just being the metal bar, because it's metal in the front, but the side has that acetate, I guess. They're still pretty light. These are nice. Okay, I like these. Yeah, I wanted to do something daring. I wanted to do something different with these. This says, Professor, I'm in teacher mode. Pay attention, quiet down. Everyone, quiet down. Next. Now, you can't go wrong with black. You cannot. And I always have to get a black pair. Always. I'm gonna say these might be my favorite. All right, so I got these really thick, chunky looking rectangular glasses. And I chose these because I really love this detail on the side. This little gold H or whatever it is, it's giving like rich vibes. Yeah, so these are gonna be my favorite. I already know it. All right, the black is gonna go with any outfit. I really like these. And I know a lot of y'all love these big, thick, chunky glasses. They're kind of modern and stylish. What do you think? These are nice. These are a hit. Black, you can't go wrong with black. They're gonna go with everything, okay? They're gonna go with everything. These look good. Giving independent girl vibes. Yeah, just, I'm minding my business. Okay, I like these. Okay, next. All right, so I I chose these. It's like a clear black tortoise design. Leopard print tortoise. I think it's more of a tortoise design. And it's a black clear version. I'm gonna say these are nice and light. I can feel the lightness of it. The chunkier they are, the heavier they might feel. But I really like these. I thought these looked really, really good. Okay, so again, on the side, the design, you have a small silver color detail. And you can see these are transparent with your tortoise design, and they are nice and oval. Okay. Okay, and lastly, one more. I don't even know what I chose, but let's do this. Oh, okay. I remember now. These are a bit bold. I know I always get like calmer, just black, grays, tortoise. That's fine and all, but I said let me do something a little daring. So I got these mustard colored, orange, chunky, granddaddy type glasses. And on the side, the detail, you have the black stem and then you have the mustard color up front. But I think these are pretty flashy, so let's try them out. You know, these will look good like for those spring days where you just want a lot of color, you want a lot of pizzazz. This will look good with some denims, purples, pinks, greens, whatever, if you into a lot of colors. That is why I chose these. I just thought these were just different. Just different. Something different. What do you think? Okay. So guys, that is all. I just wanted to share this unboxing with you. If you love the video, go ahead and click that thumbs up. If you would like any of these pairs, check the link in the description and the comment box so that you can grab yours. Check out other pairs. They have some really great prices and deals. And don't forget to use my code. If you want these exact ones, go back to the video. Go back to the video to make sure you get the ones that you want so you're getting the right thing, okay? So have a good day. Bye. See you next time.